everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a collaboration. It is a Goodwill upcycle video that has been in the works for over a year. I bought this stuff like a year ago and I will link that video below for the haul. And I got pregnant, I was really sick, and I was never able to do it. I'm doing this collaboration with Araceli Chan right here on YouTube. I love her. She's my best friend. We talk to each other like literally every day, and we're mumming it together and dealing with all the struggles of being a YouTuber and a mother. And she's such a great support. I don't know what I would do if I didn't have her right now. But if you're not familiar with the channel, I will leave a link down below so you can go check out her video and see what she did with all that Goodwill stuff. And if you're coming from Araceli's channel, welcome. I am so happy to have you here. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications by clicking the bell so that you don't miss another upload from me. If you like organization, home decor, DIYs, definitely you will be very happy here, and I'll be happy to have you. So let's get into this video. All right, let's start off with this tray. So I got this tray. It's beautiful. It's really ornate. It had a really nice design on it, but I didn't like the bronze color. But hey, spray paint to the rescue. I'm going to be using the Krylon looking glass to turn it into a mirrored tray, and the gold spray paint to spray paint it gold on the outside. And once I was done, this is what it looked like. I love it. Here it is styled right there in my daughter's bathroom with some apothecary jars in them in it. It looks so beautiful. It looks so upscale and so much better than it did before. I didn't make the mirror too dark, so you can kind of still see the detail at the bottom, but just not on camera apparently. Now moving on to the storage boxes, I'm going to be updating my linen closet, and I needed some storage boxes for that. So I picked these two boxes up. They were like $2 a piece, but they had some weird writing on them. But thankfully, they open in such a way that you can use them in either direction. So I'm going to be flipping that at the bottom. Once I spray painted it in white and added some marble contact paper, this is what it looked like. I also added some acrylic jewels from the Dollar Tree to just kind of give it a little touch of extra for the opening. And you can use it to store just about anything. I have essential oils in there, but I don't know that for sure that's what I'm going to be keeping in there. For the other box, I wanted to do something different, so I got this reflective mirrored contact paper. I added that to the front. It did bubble up a little bit, which was kind of annoying, but it didn't matter because I was going to cover it with this placemat that I got at Walmart. All I did was cut up the placemat to size. And once it was cut up, I just used some hot glue along the edges and glued it down. I didn't use any hot glue in the middle because, as you can see, it's a very intricate in the design. I just used it along the edges only, and that held it down just fine. And this is what it looks like. I love this box. It's so pretty. And you can use it to like store some medication or whatever fits in there. That's not like a standard. Now moving along, I found a lot of crystal pieces. They were 99 cents each. And then I figured I could make a really beautiful tea light holder that had some height by just gluing them all together. So that's pretty much all I did for the video. I'm going to be using some hot glue to glue them together. But as you guys know, E6000 is much better for glass. So I would use E6000 if you want to make it permanent. And this is what my result looks like. I just love this so much. I have so much crystal in my house, and this goes perfectly with everything else that I have. You can put a bigger candle or just a tea light in there. It's just so pretty. And that's it, you guys. That's my Goodwill upcycle. Very easy, very simple, very inexpensive way to like upcycle some cheap stuff that you get at the Goodwill and just give them a glam look, and you can reuse them in your home. So you guys, don't forget to check out Araceli. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That will help me out so very much, and let me know in the comments which one of these results were your favorite, which one of the upcycles were your favorite, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. God bless. Bye bye.